Alright, I'm going to talk about how to crop images in preparation for printing or some competition up to the requirements. Okay, the first thing you should do actually is check the image size. Alright, when you go to image size, and you will actually have the width and the height of the current resolution and the everything. So the general rule is you should not proceed if your required width is bigger than what you have right now. Because if you do that, you're going to lose the quality. But if your current the total width is much longer than the desired width, go ahead, which is something that we will need to do, and we can do that safely. So okay, let me just show you what we can do. I'm just going to cancel off. All right, this is just for checking. We don't want to change anything here. Okay, the easy technique is here on the tools menu of the Photoshop. You can use it to on any version of Photoshop. The tool menu, on the tool menu, you look for the crop tool. The crop tool is right here. You can just press C on the keyboard. Alright, once you have a crop tool, you have the width and the height and the resolution. So all you need to do is just type in the values. Alright, for in this case, I'm just going to have 1800, but very important thing is right after that you need to put in the unit, because if you don't put in the unit, and let's say if you forget and if you click on another one, the unit will be changed to this anything that's set by default, which could be centimeters and most of the time, or rather inches worth. So 1800 centimeters, that's a huge file. You don't probably want that. I'm looking for 1800 pixels. So all you need to just type px. Alright, and Photoshop will know what to do next. And if you're even not sure about the height, you can just leave it off. If you know the height, maybe I'll go for like 1200 pixels. You can just type it in. If you don't know, you can just leave it blank totally, which is Photoshop will just do the rest. And the resolution, same thing, just type in the resolution that you require. And most of the time, people use pixels per inch, but it depends on the requirements of your printer or the competition. Okay, once you are ready to do that, you can start to kind of like make the image slightly bigger, and then put the little cursor. You don't have to start from any corner, but just drag it from outside, and just make a little kind of like a selection. You can still kind of like change the composition a bit, improve on it. You could do that, or you want to just leave it at maximum, which is fine, by the way. And when you're done, just either double click it, press enter, or you can click on that little thick sign, and Photoshop will do the job for you. And by now, if you go back and check the image size, okay, the size is exactly 1800 pixels, and height is that I've set earlier. So that's how you can prepare images for printing or anything like that. If you want in terms of inches, you can change that to inches, centimeters, millimeters, or any unit. But most of the times, if you're looking for competition, they're looking for pixels. I hope that will help out with a crop tool.